Hi, this video is regarding SSFA version 6 user manual demo. This version 6 is now available in Play Store. You can download through the Play Store itself. While uninstalling the old version of SSFA, kindly do a manual sync once, and once the sync completed, then only you can download, you can install this version 6 in your mobile. Once you start installing the version 6, we have that languages. You can choose your regional languages, whatever you want. So I'm selecting English and processing the next step. The permission has to be, mobile permission has to be given. We have given allow, and you have to select while using this app permission for entire process. Once you have given everything, all the permission has been accepted, and the login page will get reflect. The salesman has to enter their login ID, and password. If you are given the remember password, next time onwards they no need to enter that ID and password. It automatically will get saved, so that salesman will log in directly. So I'm giving the login. For login, it will take some time. ID and password. That loading has been completed with the schemes. All the schemes has been loaded. For the day starting, that salesman has to enter that attendance. Okay, we have that option in that full time and part time. If the salesman have any second of any meeting or training section is happened, they can enter as a part time. Okay, if it is full time, they can enter that full time. Okay, we have that option, remarks also. This will be a customized. We can change whatever you want. And we have that date and timing. What is the timing the salesman putting the attendance? And we have that option also. That location will get captured. Latitude, longitude. Where that salesman is putting attendance, those location will get captured. Once you are given the submit, the home screen will get appear. Okay, in that home screen, you can find out the target and achievement and balance. This is the entire outlet target, whatever the target which has given. Okay, against the outlet target, whatever that achievement has been done for the salesman, and what is that balance. So these things will get appear in the top. And we have that menu option in the left hand side. Three icons is there, right? Left top. Once you click that icon, we have that menu called attendance, whatever that attendance which you have given, and next is dashboard. Once I click the dashboard, there are two main categories, is JTD dashboard and products. So now I'm going to explain JTD dashboard. In JTD dashboard category, you have the subcategory name, you have the multiple of subcategories. The first subcategories will be the target versus achievement. Whatever the target which are given for that outlet for the MOC and JC, okay, those target will get appear here. Against the target, whatever that achievement has been done, those achievement also will get reflect, and that percentage also will be applicable. And we have the dashboard since what are the this barcode and bar wise trend, so we can find out that in the two models. And second thing, second category, we are moving to JTD trends. This trends, we have that with this JCD trends, we have outlet wise comparison. with the last month and current month. Whatever the last month sales has been run for the those particular outlet, and this what all the secondary has been done for the current month. So we have the comparisons with the sales trend chart. And we are moving to the build outlet. Whatever the build outlet against this salesman, that the entire beats outlets, the top 10 outlets will be get reflect here. Okay, with the number of with that how many invoice has been done, what will be the sales value. Okay, all those things will be reflected against that outlet. So we have that 10 top 10 outlets things. Yeah, will be applicable, will reflect here. And next is unbilled outlet. What and all that unbilled outlets as for the entire beats for this salesman, whatever that if it is in a 200 or 250 outlets, against in the 250 outlet, what and all the unbilled outlets will get reflect here. Okay, with the beat name and what and all the how many outlet has been billed last. Okay. So what is that last build date and how many days till that still this outlet not be built, that the number of days also will be reflected. And we have the trend also with the route wise bar trend. So if you click that route, automatically it will fetch to the route, and against that route what and all that outlet is there, against that outlet what and all the against that bit what and all that this route beat this retailers are not billed, and what is that last build date and how many days, all those things will get reflected. And we have the route option, the MTT unbilled outlet. Okay, in this you have the two options, route and month. If you click the month, you have that month wise. You can check out what and all the April, March, Feb, last month and before month, you can find out that details. Against the outlets, how many days, last bill date. And next is moving to coverage report. This coverage report, we can find out that outlet wise coverage report, what will be the coverage. How many against this will be the PJP. Okay. 0/1 in the sense 1 is in a PJP. Against that one, if they covered that outlet, it will automatically change to 1/1. So what will be the coverage? The second one 503, you can find out that salesman has been visited those outlet, PJP outlet, it has been changed to 0 to 1. So all those things will be get coverage and coverage percentage and sales value will be covered here. We have the trend bar, this trend barcode, bar wise, and this trend also. And next we are moving to productivity page. This productivity against that against that outlet, how many times they have taken that order. Okay, those productivity also will be get captured here. Against if it is if they capture the PJP, it automatically it will change 1/1. If it is PJP not be included, not be mapped for that retailer, it will be 0/0. If it is they captured they are taken order for non-PJP outlet also, it will take 1/0. And next we are moving to invoice details. This invoice details regarding this what and all the outlet. Okay, against that outlet, what will be that this one when the order has been taken for the against that outlet, what will be the value? All those bill invoice details you can get it from here. If you once you click pending, and there will be an option called pending deliver and cancel. In the sense pending, whatever that order has been booked, still that OTP process has been done, not be done, it will comes under the pending order. Pending deliver, once you are done the pending all those things, but you're not done the delivery process, it will come the pending delivery. So cancel, whatever that bills has been cancelled, those invoice will be comes under the cancel bill. Pending delivery and cancel. All those things will come. Outlet wise number and outlet wise invoice number and date when they have been cancelled and what is the value. All those things will be captured here. And next PJP. PJP in the sense, PJP, whatever that route against the day we have mapped the PJP, all those mapping will be reflected here against the date wise. What is the date wise? What is the date wise route has been mapped for the PJP things? All those things will be listed here. And we have next two products. What and all the product master is available, those products will be listed here with the MRP, what is the stock are available, stock in hand, and what is that PTR, what is the price to retailer things also will be get reflected here. Next we are moving. So next we are moving to ad outlet. So in ad outlet there is no changes has been done, the same process only we are remaining in new version also. Once you click that plus button, you have to select that route and channel, sub channel, in which group you have this route, this retailer need to map, and class, retailer name, and contact person is not a mandatory. If you want, you can enter it. Mobile number, if it is any alternate mobile number, you can enter. Otherwise, you can leave it blank and you can go for this verify OTP number. The retailer number, whatever that current number, using number you have to give, because then only that OTP will receive. Once you have given a verify OTP, that 4-digit OTP number will be sent to that number. Once you have entered that 4-digit number, you have to give submit. Okay, then automatically it will get changed to submitted. So next it will be that address capture is there. We have that option called fetching. Once you have clicked that location icon fetching, once you have given that, automatically that address will get captured. So we have that you can able to edit the door number / street line. If any number or door number it is not be captured properly, you can edit it. And we can go for this register. If it is the retailer is a GST user, you can make it register and you have to enter the GST number and PAN number. If it is non-register, you can make it unregistered. So this is not a mandatory. Once, and the latitude longitude also will get captured. Once you have given submitted, that please capture outlet image will get pop up, because you have to take a 3 image mandatory. Front view of outlet with the name board and the inner view left and right, 2 photos. Once you have taken, submitted the 3 photos, it automatically it has been successfully added. If you want to put order for this, you can enter one order for that new retailer before approval. Once that this outlet has been approved, then only you can enter the multiple of orders for this retailers. So this is how to add a new outlet. And next we are moving to outlet visit for existing outlets. So once you are given that existing outlet list, existing outlet category, that list of beads will get reflect. So you have to select that bead selection of today. We have the BJP has been enabled for the salesman, so you cannot able to skip today's bead. If you skip the today's bead, for if you click the other beads, that pop-up will get reflect. Please visit all outlets from today's bid. So you cannot able to enter the other speeds. So click on today's bid. Once you click the today's bid, we have that sales target. Against the salesman target will get reflect, and what and all the build, and how many line items you have been built. So, and down you have that 3 options: pending, completed, and rejected. Pending in the sense, same thing, whatever that outlet you are still not taken order, it will comes under the pending. Completed, once you have taken the order for the outlet, it will move on to the completed. If any outlet which you have taken, it got rejected, those outlet will reflect in rejected category. So for those rejected, we have that reason. What is the reason? For what reason this outlet has been rejected? Those reason also will get here. 3 pictures are mandatory with the correct direction and clear images. So pending, I'm going to take one order in that, and we have that options called F for food sequence and A to Z sort. You can sort that from A to Z, and we have that L3M in the sense last 3 months ka average, and build. You can find out what and all the outlet has been built, and unbuild. You can unbuild a column. You can against this beach, what and all the outlet not be built. So those outlet will move on to unbuild. Once you have built, that retailer will comes to under the build category. And I'm going to enter for this one outlet, Annam Cool Bar. Sorry, Annam Stores. I'm going to enter the order. Once you check out this, once you click that retailer, the pop-up will come. Are you visiting this market? You have to give yes. And then once you are given yes, that against that Annam store, you can find out that this month ka sales volume, last 3 months ka average, and what are all the pending bills, what is that outstanding amount, and when this when the salesman has been visited this outlet last, and order date and last visit date, and what is that last order or value also, it will get pop up here. If you want to see it again, you can click here, that this one, right outlet info. You can, if you want to see again, you can click it here, that pop up will come. So this bid against, you can find out that call option. If you click that call, it directly that call will place to that retailer registered mobile number. Okay, and you can find out that retailers this what is that address also in down. And next to that, coverage and productivity. Against this outlet, against this outlet, we have taken any visited this out. If we have visited this, that coverage will change to 1/1. If you taken that order against this outlet, productivity also will get 1. So target versus achievement against this outlet. What is the target? What is the achievement? That speedometer will get changed once you have achieved that value. That speedometer will get increased. And down we have the trend versus JTD versus last month. So that trend also will get reflected here. And down we have that pending order, pending delivery and delivered. Pending order in the sense, what and all the order has been placed, but still that OTP process not be done. Those orders will reflect as a pending orders. And if you click the pending delivery, and the order has OTP process done, but still that delivery or vehicle allocation not be done, those things will be in that pending delivery. All 2 sectors has been completed. Those invoice will be considered as a delivered. And in down we have that scheme utilization. It's not a scheme utilization, it's a scheme master. The name will get changed. Okay, this scheme master, if you click the view scheme, what and all the scheme has been mapped for this retailer, those schemes will get reflected here. For example, this Bikers shampoo, we have that scheme. So what is the scheme code? What is the scheme name? What is that payout discount? Some cases some payout will be in discount mode, and some payout will be a amount mode. Those things always will get reflected. And what is the scheme type and start date and end date? And scheme slabs, what and all the slabs that we are going to achieve this payout. Those things also will get reflected here. So next we are moving to the order booking, book order. So once you click the book order, you can find out that all in the sense all the SKUs will be accumulated in all. Okay, and focus, what and all the focus we have focus SKUs we have mapped, those focus SKUs only will reflect in that focus category. Promo, what are all the SKUs is mapped for the schemes, those schemes products, those schemes SKUs will reflect in that bikers. In the promo category. Must sell SKUs will reflect in must sell category. So I'm taking the order on all the three categories. While you click that category, you have that options called pieces and cases. Now we are changing in strips also, and we have that option called MRP. What is that MRP and what is the price to retailer? What is the stock in hand? All those things will get reflected here. Once you are entered that order, you have to give next. This is, once you are given the next, it's a order summary. You can find out what and all the order you have been punched. Okay, those order, if you want to see that discount details, you have to click the tentative discount. Once you click the tentative discount, that what are the schemes? For example, primary and secondary. Primary schemes how much have been applied, and the secondary scheme how much have been applied. That split will be reflected once you click the tentative discount. And we have that option, sign pad option also is there. It's not a mandatory. If you want, you can take a sign pad and you have to click the you have to sign it here and you have to give the done. Okay, and once all the things has been done, you have to give the submit. You can find out the discount, what is the discount totally we have, what is the tax, and what is the bottom of the value. Once you are given submitted, that order will get placed. And next we are moving to the damage return. We have the two options in damage return. One is with reference and another one is without reference. Without reference in the sense you can make with product wise, what and all the product wise you are going to put a sales return against this retailer. For example, if you want to put the chick, if you type chick, that automatically against chick what and all the products is there, the drop down box will get reflect. So you have to select the product and you have to choose the reason, for what reason you're going to make this sales return, and you have to enter that quantity also. And second thing, you have to take the picture of that expiry stock. So picture has to be taken and you have to give the submit. And another one is with reference. With reference in the sense, if you have that invoice number, if you enter that invoice number, invoiced against what and all the SKUs has been mapped, those SKUs will automatically pop up in the no records column. In that no records box, that what and all that invoiced against SKUs, it will be listed. So you can put with reference in that against that invoice, the complete SKUs can be put on a sales return. And next is an outlet collection. So outlet collection also is there, and outlet survey also is available. So if you want, once this has been completed, if you want to move to the back, you cannot able to go to the next outlet because we have activated the activity tracker mandatory. So you have to give that activity tracker questions, then only you can able to move on to the next outlet. If you want to give that activity tracker questions, there is a name called menu. Once you click that menu, you can find out the activity tracker. In this, you can have the 4 options, and update location will get update location and feedback and previous what and all the previous order. If you have those orders also, we get reflect what and all the previous order you have done for this retailer. Activity tracker, once you click the activity tracker, the question has been set. You have to answer for the question and you have to take one photo. And give submit, and then only you can able to move on to the next outlet. When you're giving back, that automatically it will show working hours. When you have started this outlet, when you are ended, how many hours you are spent for this outlet, all those things you will get reflected here. Once you are given OK, automatically it will get uploaded. This all those things will get download and it will capture in that. It will automatically move on to the OTP process. This upload option and all those transactions will take some time based on your internet. So upload successfully have been done. So once you move on to the main page, you can find the day summary. So this is the day summary. Today, you out of one Urapakam 2 today's bid, in the outlet, out of 58 outlet, you have visited one outlet. Against that one outlet, you have taken productivity of one order has been taken. So it's showing 1/1. So what is that value and what is the time you have spent it? Entire day. The entire value, entire day value, and entire time will reflected here. And in the down bit name Urapakam 2 and number of outlet added today, those things also will get reflected here. And order taken, how many orders has been taken for that outlet, all those things also get reflected. And order syncs, we have taken one order and that's also been synced. So it's 1/1. Total line items, if you have how many line items you have taken, those line items also, numbers also will get reflected here. And sales return, if you put in any sales return, those sales return also will be mapped here, and it will show if you have, if it is saleable or unsaleable, those things also will be reflected. So we have that collection model, total collection, and if it is in check mode, that value will comes in the check mode. If it is in cash mode, that value will comes under the cash mode. So we have the top of the right, you have that one notepad, this one. If you want to check what and all the bid, how many, what against which bid, which orders we have taken. So we have to check, recheck once. We have to recheck once in the sense, you have to click this notepad. Once you have clicked that one, that what and all the orders are taken by today by the salesman, those things will get reflected. If you want to check how many total number of net value there 2140, what and all the SKUs I need to be billed in this sense, you have to click that. Once you click the notepad, and that products also, how many products, how many quantity you have built, how many this one, what is the net amount, all those things will be reflected here. And we have that one more option in that right of the right of top, that clock. Once you click that clock, it will show that today's date and what is that, how many hours they have spent at the time, on by today, how many hours they have spent, and what is the today's bid and how outlet covered, how many outlet has been covered, and last is sync also it will get reflected. These are the user manual for the new versions. Thanks.